Hello everyone. Fortunately, we are meeting for the first time. You will not have any inhibitions about me, nor am I having any prejudices for or against you. So, we'll have a fresh start. This is an introductory video where we will discuss the syllabus in detail. I am here to discuss about the complementary course on electronic media offered to the third semester BA English Literature students. The title of the course is Introduction to Television and Cinema. Since it is about television and cinema, the title sounds interesting, and it definitely is. So we are looking into two different aspects of the course. One, the TV broadcast journalism, and the medium of cinema and its different characteristics. Since we aren't media students, we are not expected to get into every minute details of the topic, but the course expects you to get introduced to these two topics. So coming back to course, you have 6 different modules in the course. Let's have a look at them. Module 1 in general is about television and its different characteristics. Okay. Module 2 is about news and programs, again related to television. Module 3 gives us some general insights into cinema, like its history, then characteristics and things like that. So module 3 is about cinema. Module 4 is about Indian cinema. Module 5 is about Malayalam cinema, and the module 6 is an introduction to filmmaking. So that is the brief outline of the syllabus. Before we get into the details of the syllabus, I want you to have an overview of the paper. I want you to understand the logic of those who have prepared the syllabus. The title of the paper is Introduction to television and cinema. So in the first 2 modules, you are getting introduced to television. Okay, and next 4 modules, you are getting introduced to cinema. Okay, so first you will study what is cinema, then you will understand what is Indian cinema, after that Malayalam cinema, and then filmmaking. This is the overview of this particular paper. Now, we will get into the details of each module. So, in the first module, you have 4 things to study. The first one is about characteristics, scope and limitation of television. Okay. The second is the origin and development of television. The third area is news channels with a special reference to Malayalam. The fourth one is the organizational structure of Newswing with TV on channel, TV on web and TV on mobile. So that is about the first module. In the second module, we look into news and programs. The module on news and programs has got 2 subdivisions. First one, structure and types of TV and news. You have some technical terms and concepts in this particular area. And secondly, it is about scripting for various programs, like how to script for a discussion, how to script for an interview, for a magazine, a TV magazine and live program, etc. Okay, so that is about the second module. In the third module, we study about cinema. 1. The characteristics and types of cinema, history of cinema, major movements in cinema, and the great legends of cinema. The fourth module is about Indian cinema, its different stages and masters of Indian cinema. The fifth module is really interesting. In the fifth module, we study in detail about Malayalam cinema, the legends in Malayalam cinema. And prior to that, we have to study the decade-wise development, the decade-wise history of Malayalam cinema and the contemporary Malayalam cinema. In the last module, the 6th module, we learn about the different steps in the making of cinema. it is not just the glamour on the screen, rather the pain and sweat of many are there behind every cinema. So here in this module we'll get introduced to the pre-production, production and post-production of filmmaking. If I summarize, in this particular video I just introduced to you the 6 different modules that you have to study in the paper titled Introduction to Television and Cinema. That is all for today. Tune yourself up for the next video. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. God bless.